This is Dr. Carroll, and this is another video in the Python files series. So as a reminder, there are 4 steps to using a file. Open the file, verify that it opens successfully, read from or write to the file, and close the file. And this video is about closing the file. I remember my dad teaching me that on a farm or a ranch, if you open a gate, you close it. The same applies to programming. If you open a file, you generally close it. Otherwise, you need to make sure to clearly write in the comments why not and who should close it. So the syntax or general format is close, but this isn't just a built-in function, this is a method, and so we need to call it on the file object that we used when we called open to be able to close it. And there we go. And thankfully, if the file is already closed, calling it fileObject.close a second time does not throw an error. That's it for this video. Check out my other videos in this series.